I'm intrigued to know, what is the risk of losing that brand awareness? If a customer is just buying insurance and they see, oh, I'm buying insurance through Tesla, I'm buying insurance through Nike, but actually, is Generali providing that? Is there a risk of losing that brand?
Brilliant question. I think this is the main point, and we are always saying keep the main thing, no? So the main thing for us is business, though. It's not the brand. So the kind of way we look at it, and there's many frameworks and ways you can, and this is our part of our. There's of course also contrarian views inside.
Of course,
but,
naturally.
You know,
yeah.
The point of view is this is happening, and if it works, customer will be happy to just click and buy the insurance there. So given that, if you believe that it's gonna happen, would you rather be there invisible or not be there at all? So you have, somehow the opportunity cost is, it's not a happy problem, as you say.
No,
here
of
in
course,
England,
yeah.
But what we do in practice is we have developed solutions. Sometimes it's ad hoc solutions, so it's bespoke products. Some other times we can use even, products that we have on the library, so they are ready there and you can pick and choose. Sometimes they are what we call red labeled, so you see it's a Generali product. Some other times it's white label, it's completely invisible, and you'll see when you sign, you receive the contract, this is your insurance policy, you'll see Generali, but in the sales moment, when it's fully embedded, you don't see. Talking about embedment though, there are three kinds of embedment, if you want. There's the real embedment, so it's like the insurance almost is part of the value proposition, so it's there. And then there's the opt-in and the opt-out models, no? So it's when you can decide, yes, I want it, or this is embedded, but you can opt out. And it can be, collective policies, can be individual. So there's many models, and in some models, it makes more sense to preserve the brand because it helps the conversion and the attach rate is gonna be higher. Some other cases, it's whatever, no? So the customer doesn't really care. Of course, what we see, and this is a lack I think that we have and not startups, and this is why we often collaborate with startups. Our model right now, especially in a market so new as the embedded insurance, seems being very open. So we are happy to collaborate with the ecosystem. We believe that if it's a win-win collaboration, it's gonna grow the pie quicker. So sometimes we collaborate with startups like, Cover or others, and we do it together because they are very interested in having our brand. Offering to a customer a moped, a kick scooter policy, and saying you're insured by Generali is gonna most likely increase the attach rate because the customer trusts the brand. Of course, this is not valid in all markets. I'm talking for continental Europe where we're particularly good, but knowing that you have Generali rather than somebody else that you never heard is gonna give peace of mind. And given that the moment of truth of the customer is the claim, you wanna have peace of mind because, that's
the only
something
thing
you
you're
need.
buying.
That's something you need when things go wrong. And when things go wrong, you'd be better be covered by somebody that is there, solid, available, and not somebody that you never heard of. No, cool. So sometimes it works and sometimes not, but the risk is, if you don't work on that you get completely disintermediated, you become a pure capacity provider. I call it, this was a problem that banks, given that you made the parallelism before, we become a utility. Like, think about the electricity bill you pay at them. Do you care where the electricity comes from?
No.
Whatever. Who brings me the cheapest bill?
Wins.
I'm there. We don't want to become something like that. So we always try, also in this embedded insurance play, to build something besides the brand, which is already strong, that adds value and justifies the fact that we're there. Otherwise, we all become sort of reinsurance capacity provider. We disappear, and startups or brokers are gonna win the battle. But I don't think it's gonna go there.